Take a look at the sky. You can see our bright sun, fluffy clouds, and a blue background filling the sky. Do you ever wonder why the sky is blue, or why there are floating white objects constantly in the air? Today we will answer the age-old question: why is the sky blue? To understand it, we must understand what the atmosphere is. What is the atmosphere? The atmosphere is the envelope of gases surrounding the Earth or another planet. Or in other words, a bunch of elements in the form of gas floating 3,500 kilometers above us. There are many layers to the atmosphere. Today, we will be looking at the troposphere and the stratosphere. The closest layer of the atmosphere to sea level is the troposphere. The troposphere is around 16 kilometers above sea level and is quite cold. As the altitude increases in the troposphere, the temperature decreases and the pressure decreases. This is because as the altitude increases, the air molecules decrease, or in other words, the air becomes thinner. Many airplanes cruise around 10 kilometers above sea level because it is the optimal altitude for the engine, as it has the optimal temperature and air pressure. Less air pressure is good because it allows the plane to go faster and minimizes fuel consumption. Imagine if you were running. When you run, you feel the air pushing you back and opposing you as you try to run. This is the same for airplanes. So when airplanes fly 10 kilometers above sea level, there are less air particles to oppose the airplane, allowing it to move faster. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere, which goes up to 48 kilometers above sea level. Looking at the trends in the troposphere, you would think as the altitude increases, the temperature would keep decreasing. However, the stratosphere increases in temperature as the altitude increases. This is due to ozone. Ozone is created through the sun's UV rays. The ozone absorbs UV light and converts it into heat. That is why as the altitude increases in the stratosphere, the temperature increases. Now to answer the age-old question, why is the sky blue? We will tell you that in our next video.